This video explains one of 4 ways on how to configure SSL printing with brother devices. Links to the other configuration methods can be found in the description. You may have noticed that 2 of these methods both use a self-signed certificate. While they are both self-signed, the following attributes are fixed and unchangeable on the standard certificate. This is because it comes pre-installed onto all supporting brother devices by default. A custom self-signed certificate lets you change them. Please note that I will be using a brother MFCL 6800DW during this video. The way to configure other brother models may be slightly different. I will also be using Windows 10 to create the print queue. SSL encrypted printing is also supported by macOS and a wide range of Linux distributions. Before we can create an SSL encrypted print queue, we must first get your computer to trust the public certificate automatically issued to it when establishing a secure connection. The first 2 parts of this video show you how to do this before moving on to the steps required to create the SSL protected print queue. First, you need to open your preferred web browser. In its address bar, type https:// and 2 forward slashes, followed by the IP address or node name of your brother device to access its internal web server. You will probably notice that your web browser displays a security warning message similar to this one. This is because your computer doesn't trust the certificate issued to it by your brother device. This is because your computer doesn't trust the certificate issued to it by your brother device. This is perfectly normal behaviour for any self-signed certificate that your computer isn't configured to recognise. This means you need to do a few extra things to get your computer to recognise your brother device's self-signed certificate. To do this, click the Advanced button from the security warning message. And then click the button or link that lets you connect to your brother device's internal web server. From your browser's address bar, click the additional security warning message. From the pop-up menu, find and click the invalid certificate warning. It may look slightly different on your web browser. A new window will open. From it, click the Details tab. From there, click the Copy to File button. From the Certificate Export window, click the Next button. Leave this default option selected. Then click the Next button. Click the Browse button to select the location on your computer where you want to export the self-signed public certificate. When you have done this, click the Next button. Then click the Finish button. If you see this pop-up message, click the OK button. Then finally, click the OK button from the certificate window to close it. It is important to note that the certificate you just exported is unique to the device that you got it from. This means that if you have 2 or more brother devices, you will need to repeat this export process for each of them to retrieve their unique certificates, regardless of whether they are the same model or something different. Now that you have exported the certificate, The next task is to install it to a specific location on your computer. This location is called the Trusted Root Certification Authorities Store. This will tell your computer to trust your brother device's standard self-signed certificate you just exported and allow you to print using SSL. To do this, go to the location on your computer where you recently exported the self-signed certificate and double-click it. A new window will open. From it, click the Install Certificates button. This part of the import wizard wants to know if the public certificate should only affect the user who is currently logged into the computer or everyone. If you want it to affect everyone, click the Local Machine option. This is recommended for shared computers that have multiple users accessing them. Then click the Next button. Select the option Place all certificates in the following store. Then click the Browse button. From the list of stores, select the Trusted Root Certification Authorities store. Then click the OK button. Click the Next button. Finally, click the Finish button. Take note of the certificate's Issue To name. You will need this later on when creating the SSL encrypted print queue. The final part of installing SSL print using a self-signed certificate is to create the secure SSL connection or print queue. One way to do this is by using the Windows control panel. Click the View Devices and Printers link. Then click the Add a Printer button. What Windows will do now is search your network for available print devices. I will show you how to do this manually by clicking the option The printer that I want isn't listed. Select the option Select a shared printer by name. In the location field underneath, type HTTPS, then a colon and 2 forward slashes, followed by the Issue To name on the certificate you recently installed to your computer. In this example, it is brothermfc.local. When you have typed this name, click the Next button. Your computer will try to connect to your brother device using SSL. If you did not type the name of the certificate correctly, or if you did not install the self-signed certificate into the correct certificate store, you will see this error message. If you do, please re-watch this video and check your settings. If the connection was successful, click the Next button. Decide if you want to set this device as your default printer. Then click the Finish button. The secure SSL connection to your brother device will now be ready. Even after installing the self-signed certificate, you may still see a security warning message when connecting to your brother device from a web browser using HTTPS. This is normal behaviour for most modern web browsers because the certificate still does not match all its strict security requirements. It is intended to protect you from external websites that may contain troublesome code and not to stop you from connecting to internal network devices such as brother printers. In other words, it is safe to ignore this warning message to connect to your brother device's internal web server. Thank you.